Welcome everybody to the channel. This is Aria and I'm the rusty bartender. Today in the channel we're going to do something a little bit different because Aria here wants to show everybody how she can make a mocktail. She's been wanting to share this recipe for quite a while, so here we go. Hey Aria, what goes in this cocktail? Strawberries? And what else?
Lime.
And what else? Ginger beer. Strawberries, lime and ginger beer. So we're going to start off by putting the strawberries in the glass. Aria's going to show you. No, you just, yep, you go ahead. You show them the way you like to make it. So there's 4 strawberries cut into pieces. And then, what are you going to do now? Mash it all up. Muddle. Just like, yeah, just like you do in the house. That's it. Get in there. Good job. Strawberry juice everywhere.
Yeah.
All right, then what else do you do?
Not ready.
It's not ready, sorry. Sorry. It's not ready.
Done.
Done. Okay.
Now give me that now.
Okay, you know what you're doing? And we're gonna squeeze half a lime into this. You know how to work this, don't you? I'll hold the glass for you. Good job. Yes.
It's all of the lime.
Oh, you want to squeeze a full lime?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, you can do that. Next one?
Done.
Okay. So you just put half a lime. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some ice into the glass. Ari's gonna fill the glass with ice. Good job, that's 1 scoop. Good stuff. Yep, go again. Beautiful. That'll do. And what do we do now? Ginger beer, your favorite? Go for it. Ah, cold, yeah, it has to be cold. I'll open that for you. So you don't hurt your finger? Okay. Whoops, don't be, yep, sorry. Nice and slow. Nice. And then, what do you do after that? Yeah, give it a good mix. Good job. Aria likes to make this drink in the house.
Can I get mixed up, please?
Yeah, you gotta put your spoon down the bottom, don't you? Yeah, and then bring it up to the top. It's looking good.
I'm back.
She's back. She brought her little garnish stick. All right, and you're just gonna plop that on top.
Wait, let me squeeze it on top.
Squeeze it on top. Oh, to the side of the glass. Very good, mate.
Yep, beep, boop, beep, boop.
That's looking good. Will we show it to the camera? Do you want to show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's looking good. Big close up. Taste test. You're gonna give it a little taste? What's that noise? Don't get distracted. Come on. Let's finish the video.
Yeah.
Little sip.
How do I do it?
What do you mean how you eat it? You drink it like you drink in the house. It was good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give it a taste. Mmm. Strawberries and lime and ginger. All right. That's all from us. Say goodbye to everybody. Aria, like and subscribe.
I'm back because I just need to say, make sure you try this because it is super good.